Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to add age verification widget to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course Google and type www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen login like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the new post. We have post stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, as you can see, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add age verification widget to Blogger. So first of all, choose an age verification service. It can be on like Elf site or Common Ninja to create the widget. And then when you create the widget, of course, you need to go and copy the embed code provided by the service. Then go to the left side of the screen, click on Layout. Then click on Add Widget. Then find the HTML and JavaScript. Then here you need to go and paste your widget, save it, and that's that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.